From that, we turn to a battle by tens of millions of people for a healthier life. More than 2/3 of Americans are overweight or obese. Dr. Mark Hyman believes there is new hope. His latest book is called The Blood Sugar Solution, 10-Day Detox Diet Cookbook. Dr. Hyman leads the Cleveland Clinic Center for Functional Medicine, and we're pleased to have him back in Studio 57.
Morning.
Welcome
Thanks for having me.
Yeah. What's the case for detoxification?
Well, there's two reasons. One, Charlie, most Americans are biologically addicted to sugar and flour. We eat about 152 pounds of sugar and 146 pounds of flour. And we're learning from the science that it hijacks your brain and your taste buds and your metabolism. And two, many people walk around with what we call FLC syndrome. That's when you feel like crap and you have all sorts of symptoms that make you feel sick, whether it's headaches, digestive issues, joint pain, fatigue, insomnia. All those things are why we need to take a break and get rid of the bad stuff, put in the good stuff.
Well, how about not eating so much sugar and so much?
That's a great idea, but you know, food is medicine. So we can actually heal our bodies using food, or we can make them sick. So if you put in the right stuff, you literally can reset your system, and in 10 days, give yourself a chance to feel good for the first time in a long time.
How'd you come up with 10 days?
It takes about 10 days to get rid of the inflammation in your body, to unhook your brain from the biological addiction to sugar and flour and processed foods, and to start to actually feel good and get rid of FLC syndrome. I mean, we had 600 people do this, and in 10 days, they had a 62% reduction in all symptoms from all diseases simply by giving their body the right food.
But what is it about the 10 days? I mean, detox is a catchy word, it's a buzzy word, but I mean, we're ultimately trying to establish this long-term plan, right, that people are on.
This is a trick, right? 10 days is to get you started, to understand the connection between how you feel and what you eat, and then you can transition to finding out a way of eating that works for you, which is basically real, whole, fresh food, getting rid of the junk, eating real food.
And that's what's on this 10-day detox.
What do you say to people that eat crappy food and still feel pretty good?
Well, I'd say
I don't know anyone like that.
I'd say you probably don't know how bad you feel. Most patients say to me, Dr. Hyman, I didn't know how bad I was feeling until I started feeling so good.
But this is the thing in the book I thought was really interesting. You said it's not overeating that makes you fat, it's being fat that makes you overeat.
That's right. Well, the science
I never thought about that. I thought that was interesting.
The science is showing us that your fat cells are like hungry monsters, and they want more and more and more. So once you start building up those hungry fat cells in your abdomen, they literally suck in the fuel in your blood, and it makes you actually feel hungry. It slows your metabolism, it makes you hungry, and it actually stops fat burning. So the hungry fat cells are really the science that's teaching us about how we
Let's assume we accept all of this. What does detoxification do? I mean, how do you detox and what does it do?
Well, it's like drug detox, right? Why should you get off alcohol if you're an alcoholic, or cocaine if you're a cocaine addict? Well, if you're eating sugar and processed food and it's hijacked your brain, you're not going to be able to control your behavior.
But what is it when you detox? What happens? It takes the stuff out of your system?
It takes the stuff out of your system, and you actually have control again, and you don't have to use willpower. You can use science to reset your eating habits.
But if you just stop using so much, wouldn't it come out of your system inexorably?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you don't have to do it all at once, but if you really want to get a powerful reset, which most people have never had, and most people have never given themselves 10 days to see how good they can feel, and it's just an invitation to see what happens when you do a quick restart.
What do your patients say is the hardest thing for them to do?
I think the hardest thing is the first few days when you're literally withdrawing from getting off of the sugar and flour.
Yep. Your book, you said food is a problem, but it's also the solution.
It is.
And you give us a path to get there. Dr. Mark Hyman.
We don't need any more evidence that sugar is bad for you, right?
No, we don't.
That's why Gail went vegan.
Thank you. Yeah.
And her dreams.
I'm working on it. Dr. Mark Hyman, thank you. Actually, it's not so bad. The 10-Day Detox Diet Cookbook goes on sale today.